In this video I'm going to show you how to delete frequently visited sites from Safari on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Safari browser, and there under the edit button would be the list of your frequently visited sites, and here I got no sites. But if you got some, it would be here. And now all you have to do to hide that size is just hit Add Edit button and disable that option. I got no sites here because that option is disabled for me. Just toggle that switcher off and you wouldn't see any frequently visited sites on your Safari start page. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.